Hi guys, and welcome once again back here to our channel. Today we are doing a channel. We are doing a video with Mr. Quintero. Yay!
The happy face.
That's his happy face. We are going to make or attempt to make, and we sounds like a lot of people.
Yeah, it's always we, and I'm the one stuck doing all this stuff.
I am going to guide Mr. Quintero.
Oh, there you go.
On
You're the project coordinator.
I am the project coordinator. I like that title. Well, as you guys know, our son.
My son.
I've convinced him. Our son has been playing travel now for a while, and when the winter tournament, they win these cool rings, and we found a very creative way that we found on Pinterest on how to display them. So right now we are currently at the Home Depot, and we are going to look for the material so we could, so he can make it, because everything I show him he makes. So let's get started, guys. I like all this stuff. Look at what we could have. Home Depot is like Walmart. You go for one thing and you walk out with more. I love the smell of wood. Oh, you're nasty. The family show. See, that could be. Ooh, what are we doing? Ooh.
We build a shelf. Cut these things like about, little stuff
Yeah.
like that. Maybe hold the ring.
Oh, that's cool. That's gonna be nice. And then we just gotta figure out. Oh, look, these are oh no, I saw the prices of the pre-stained.
Out of one of these, I could, if I do them like half an inch, you just need to hold it. It doesn't have to go all the way.
No, yeah, like that.
So like half an inch, cut them half an inch. You get probably. I don't know.
And they're only
106.
106, guys. And look, these are pre-steamed for you already, and they're $2.
So why do I want it?
Okay. The project manager.
Really?
This is how he measures, guys. You bring the ring. No measuring tape needed.
Mexican eyeballer.
You're an eyeballer. Say proud. Show them the professional way of eyeballing, baby.
Okay.
Let me see. That's the professional way, guys.
Yeah.
The eye has to be like that.
One claw.
Thinner?
Dinner.
Or you want thick? You have the 824 or 2x4.
Expensive.
So we got the sticks. We got the backboard. That will become, I'll put a picture right now right here of what's it's supposed to become. Okay, so how much does this measure? What did we buy?
It's a 24
by
24, so it's 2 feet by 2 feet.
2 feet by 2 feet, and we're gonna do
fourths. I'm gonna split it in half. I'm gonna split it in half and make a 4 out of it. And I'm gonna make some bases. 12 inches. Yeah, they're gonna be 12 by 12.
12 by 12.
I'm gonna try to make them 12 by 12. I'm gonna try.
Okay. Let's
See if I can get 4 out of one.
Cool. So we just finished cutting, and now he's measuring to do the second cut. And from, what are you measuring? 11, 7/8.
No, 7/8 because of the blade. The blade's in the steel. So I'm gonna put the blade in between the.
So now we're gonna cut, and then we're gonna find the middle to do the base. So let us cut.
Okay. Let me see.
don't think that's the proper way of using,
No, it's not.
but it worked.
But it always works. Grab the side of the wood.
Yes, sir.
It won't snap off. Just grab it.
Okay, so now what he did was he measured from here to here.
No.
No, from the bottom up.
Yep.
4 inches from the bottom up.
Bottom of 4 inches. Bottom of 4 inches.
And then he found the middle.
And then I found the middle.
And now he put tape, and now he's going to cut. So we have our base, guys. We have our plate. And right now he's measuring, and you're going to cut.
I'm going to cut the frame.
He's going to cut out the frame, guys. Okay, guys. So then he measured the sides and the top. And after he measured them, he cut 45-degree angles. And now he's going to do
22-degree angles
22
here.
angles right there to connect to the bottom.
This one's going to have 22 angle, and the ones here are going to have 22 angle there with a 22 angle here. No, I think I got to find out the angle on this.
Yeah, he has to determine the angle there. Come on, guys. Use your algebra. And then before he assembles it all, he'll then paint and do the background.
No, I can assemble it and then paint it. I paint it.
Oh,
Yeah, you got it.
And there you guys got it. So let me give you guys the measurements. So the top one is 45-degree angles.
45 here in the corners.
The side is 22 angles.
31
And 31 at the corner.
at the bottom.
At the bottom to connect it. So far this is how it looks. And now we're going to put
Shelves.
the shelves. So to do that, you're going to...
First, I gotta staple the frame up that thing, and then do the shelf.
Okay, guys, as you can see, it's getting dark, but I just finished painting the board and adding the baseball stitches, and my husband is currently measuring to see how far apart he's going to put these. This is where the rings are gonna go. Let's cross over him, and this is what's gonna be put on, and this is where he's going to put what he's measuring. So we're almost done, guys, almost done, and this is gonna be spray painted. So we'll show you in a bit the final product. What do you guys think? So far so good. We just finished putting the back to the frame, and now he's lining up so we could staple it in.
Let's see.
You just need to find where he measured it.
No, I just need lighter.
I can see it. Yep, it's good. And then we're just gonna staple them on the sides, right?
I gotta put the little one.
And then that one right there. That one goes like that. That one was cut at an angle as well. And that one does not have one of the little stumps, because those are going to be for the irregular size rings, because not all of them are the same size.
The USSSA rings, the hole is different than the USA rings.
Yeah. So you guys could just leave them right there.
So you could get USA rings here. You fit about 3 or 4, and there's some up here.
There you guys have it. Not bad for first time doing this with no measurements whatsoever, just by eyeing it and going for it, and it came out so nice. I can't wait until we make another one for anybody else who needs it. This will be on my Etsy page. I will have a link as soon as we figured out what he wants to price him at. Love it, love it. Stay tuned for many more today with Mr. Quintero. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys. Bye.